Hello and welcome. It's time for another one of Grampy's Tiny Tales. Tonight's story is called Nora's Noisy Night.
Nora's Noisy Night. Deep in sunny meadow forest lived a little hedgehog named Nora. Nora loved daytime adventures, but when the moon rose high in the sky, she would curl up tight in her leafy bed, a little bit scared of the strange nighttime sounds. One night, a loud tap-tapping sound woke her up. Then came a gentle twit-twee-twit-twoo. Nora's heart went thump-thump-thump.
What could that be? It sounds so loud.
Taking a deep, brave breath, Nora tiptoed out of her cozy home. She followed the sounds through the moonlit woods, her little nose twitching. The sounds grew louder and not so scary anymore. They sounded musical. Behind a big oak tree, she found her friends. Barnaby the badger was happily tapping 2 acorns together.
Tap, tap, tappity tap.
And perched on a branch above him was Oliver the owl, hooting a soft melody.
Twit-twoo, twit-twoo.
Barnaby, Oliver, is that you making all that noise?
Barnaby smiled a big badger smile.
Nora, you're just in time. We're making night music. Do you want to join our band?
Oliver hooted kindly.
Yes, join us, Nora. The night is full of beautiful sounds, not scary ones.
Nora felt a happy giggle bubble up. Her fear was all gone. She found a bunch of crunchy leaves and started to swish them back and forth. What fun she was having! Swish, swish, swish. Together, they played their wonderful night song. Tap, tap, tap went Barnaby's acorns. Twoo, twit, twoo sang Oliver the owl. And swish, swish, wedge went Nora's leafy maracas. Nora learned that night that some of the best adventures happen after the sun goes to sleep. We hope you enjoyed Nora's story. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures. See you next time.